Okay, everybody. How you guys doing today? Tonight. It's nighttime for us. Might be daytime for you guys when you watch this. Anyway, it's another episode of Road Finds. Coming at you here. We're not at our destination yet. We are going to be heading there in a few minutes. Reason we started it here is because it's going to be an adventure getting there.
Oh yeah.
You want to tell them why?
Well, our bugs don't mix with rain well at all. It's raining pretty hard. They hydroplane all over the place, so it means the water is being flung up, hits the bottom of the car, and like all that pressure at once starts to push the car up a little bit off the tires, so you don't have as much grip, which makes you slide wherever the car's sliding. That, and his windshield wipers keep breaking. And he only has drum brakes.
That's true.
We would have took my car, which has disc brakes, but my windshield wipers don't work at all. And it leaks. It's got a factory sunroof from '69. It's gonna leak.
True that. Anyway, I'm gonna flip you guys around real quick so you can see hopefully you guys can tell it's raining out there. You know, it's raining. It's raining pretty good. It's raining pretty good. So with that said, we're going to start this adventure getting over there to where we're going. We're keeping that a surprise for you guys. And we'll probably film a little bit on the way so you can see just exactly what we go through at times just to drive these cars. Believe me, when I say drive these cars, we don't drive these cars because we have to, because that's all we can afford. No. We drive them because we want to. If you've never ridden in a Bug,
Or even driven one,
you don't know what you're missing. I mean, it's an experience. It's a whole culture. They're great little vehicles.
We recommend getting them.
Oh yeah.
If you want a project car that's easy to work on and doesn't break the bank, this is one of them.
Yep.
This is one of them.
However, it is interesting when it rains. That's why we started this early, so we're going to show you guys just how interesting this is when it rains. With that said, we are getting on our mission to get to where we're going.
You broke them again?
No, they're working, okay.
This is a bumpy freaking road, let me tell you.
Yeah, it is.
You can see the windshield wipers barely want to work. They're not even working in sync. One's moving faster than the other.
True that. Every time we hit a puddle, it's like, whoa. But it's fun.
Well, it's fun when we survive.
Oh, we forgot to tell you. We don't have seatbelts in this one.
Yeah, there's no seatbelts in this one. So if we die like real men.
That's true. I mean, seriously, if you think about it, getting in an accident in a Bug, there's no metal around you. You're just...
Well, I mean, if we get hit in the front or the back, there's a high possibility. Getting hit in the side? Hell no, these doors are thin. I can't even like express how thin these are. And there's nothing inside them. Literally, it's just a shell for a couple of gears so the window can slide up and down through them. And then look at this. Like, you barely see out the window. Our headlights don't do shit. You can't see anything of those.
Whoa, sliding. Okay. Let's adventure to stop.
Can't see anything with cars pulling at us either. Any lights hit this windshield, it's blinding.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Another thing with the old Bugs, I think it's, what is it, like 71, 72 and older? They all have flat windshields?
No, it's 70 and older, some 71s.
70 and older, 71 sometimes. They all have flat windshields, so water doesn't roll off it at all.
Oh shit. So Sorry everybody for that cuss word. I was gonna get over and I saw that lady skidding and almost hit that other car. So I'm just gonna hang out in this lane for now. Cause that kind of scared the crap out of me a little bit. Gave me a little bit of a heart attack, even though it wasn't me.
Oh, this hill's gonna be fun going down with drum brakes in the rain.
Yep. We're gonna go down nice and slow.
This hill is actually a lot steeper than people think.
Yes, it is. All right, got a green light. Whoa! Almost ended up in the other lane.
You gotta keep this thing going straight, or you're just gonna like keep going off in the other lane.
Dude, it's not my fault. Stupid range fault. Okay, there goes the orange wipers again. Woohoo!
It looks like this one's gonna come off again.
Man, really?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know how they're supposed to usually stay straight up? That's just like being pushed side to side. Like it shouldn't look like that.
No, okay.
Oh, that one just fell all the way down. Now you're gonna have to stick your hand out the window to push that up for it to go again.
Yeah. Forget it. There's not that many people on the road. We don't need a bunch of wipers.
I don't have windshield wipers. We drove mine in the rain all the time.
Oh, I shouldn't be tagging there.
Okay, we'll get back to you.
Well, we are here at our destination. Kind of hard to see Cody. I will let you guys see what we're doing. It's right there. That is our local bowling alley. And we're going to go bowling. Don't know how much we're going to be able to film in there. Because we don't want to be copyrighted because they do play music. So we're going to see what happens there. From here on out, we're playing the video by ear, or this video is going to be done by ear, nothing planned. Actually, that's kind of how this whole thing started tonight anyway, nothing planned. So with that said, let's get bowling, people.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Alright guys and gals, boys and girls, we just got done. It's hard to see Cody there. We just got done. Yeah, we just got done bowling. And with that said, we are heading home. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the little bell thingy so you get notified every time we upload a video. Other than that, you'll probably see a little bit of our driving home, and we will finish this video up for you guys when we get home. I did if we make it. Ah. Just joking. Anything?
We'll make it. We'll make it. I like how I turn this on like the bumpy part of the road.
Well, everybody, this is what it looks like. Riding home in a bug. Oh, and my windshield wiper just broke over there. Man,
That's funny.
it's not funny.
Look at it.
That's not funny. This just got a whole lot scarier.
Here's his window. Not as bad.
No, but it's still bad. Now I just gotta.
So don't roll the window all the way up. There's a little fog in here.
I got my swing window open.
You had that open before and it didn't do shit.
I did too. A little bit.